Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am unboxing my very first VanLily's subscription box. If you subscribe to her box and are expecting one in the month of December, and you don't want your surprise to be spoiled, you should probably not watch this video. So, spoiler alert, if you have not received it, you're going to see what's in the box. So, I had a root canal. If I sound a little strange, slurring my words, bite my tongue, you know, all the things, it's because I had a root canal. But I got this in the mail today, and I can't wait to open it. I just can't. So I got two boxes. I got the subscription box, and then I also got a birthday box, which I was not expecting. So this is very exciting. So let's start with the birthday box, shall we? Now, I have not looked at any of this. All I did was take it out of the big box that it came in and got some of the tape off. Not all of it, so that's all. I haven't looked at any of this. Let me open this up so it's easy for you guys to see. I'm limited on space here. Okay, this is so cute. I love the wrapping. It has tissue paper. And then, ooh, there's crinklies. Very fancy. All right, so the very first thing is, I think this is a bookmark. I love her bookmarks. They are so stinking cute. And this one has a birthday. If you didn't know, my birthday was yesterday. And I turned 50, so I love this. Oh, I love her bookmarks so much. They have magnets, and you just stick them on your page and it marks your page in a beautiful way. I love this. Vanessa thinks of everything. I really appreciate her attention to detail. Holy moly, what is this? Let's see, that's all of it. Let me put this out of the way. Cats are already in the box. Okay, so what is inside this month's box? A budget kit sized to your planner selection. I have the Budget Mom's Budget by Paycheck workbook in the small size. Enough stickers for 1 month. Birthday Fund Savings Challenge, a magnetic bookmark, and an icon sheet. And she always throws in a little paper clip, which is really fun. And this one is in the shape of a cupcake, which I love. That's so cool. All right, so here is the savings challenge, which I really love these because you can put what amount you are wanting each one of the icons to be, and then you work towards whatever your goal is. Then there is a happy birthday sticker, which there's a couple of them in there. These are the, they call them die cut. Yeah, I think so. Then we have some icons. So we've got masks, self-care, cupcakes, planners, more cupcakes and cakes. So hopefully you can see that pretty well. I hate to spend a whole lot of time unboxing or unpacking all the individual things, so hopefully it's okay to see. Then, oh, I love this. She gives you all the months of the year. So that probably makes it easy for her to pack up. And that way she just has to grab a birthday kit and stick it in a box. That's really cool. No spends. And then, oh, I love the decorations. That is so fun. And I love the colors. So she gives you everything you could possibly need for the month. We've got, this is for the monthly. You get different colored bill due stickers. You get stickers for the sidebar, more no spends. And she has filled every single space of every single page. So wherever there is room, she's put icons or deco stickers. So there is no wasted space here. This is for the paycheck bill tracker or budget tracker. So that's up on the right hand side, and then thoughts and notations. Then she has all of the individual section headers, and of course, cash envelope breakdown for each check, and then more deco, more headers for cash envelope breakdown, and of course more deco and icons, and another cash envelope breakdown. So that is really fun. This is for week 5. So that is everything for the budget portion. All right, so that is the birthday box. Thank you, Vanessa. I'm gonna have to tag her in this video. Oh, I guess I didn't do the side on this one either. So this is the actual subscription box. So I ordered the recurring subscription on November 25th. Today is December 23rd, and I got my box. So that was exciting. And this should be for the month of February. So again, you've got tissue paper and fun little crinklies. And, ooh, okay. The cats are already into the other box crinklies. Let me see if I can get all this out of here. Yeah, if you have been thinking about getting stickers for your budget planner, she has more budget planners than just the Budget Mom's Budget by Paycheck workbook. So just because this is the sticker kit that I use, she has a lot more to offer. So I always have her link down below in the description box. Okay, so this is for the month of February. And here is a note about what is in the box if you want to pause it and read over that. And of course, there is a little paper clip. This one is an envelope with a heart. That is so cute. And another magnet. Oh, gosh, I just love these so much. This one is a cupcake with hearts. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this. Okay, this is exciting. This is a little tear pad for cash envelope breakdown. So this is what I'll take to the bank and have them, where I can show them what denominations I want. Because usually I just throw it on the back of a withdrawal slip, but this is much more festive. And there's quite a few of those. And it's just, is it a sticky? Oh, it's a sticky pad. Ooh, that's fun. So it has all the denominations. It is in US dollars, quantity and total. Then we have some I think it's called die cut stickers. These are just individual stickers. And then what's this? Oh, are these envelopes? Ooh. I think these are cash envelopes. They are. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. I have an A6 binder that is a 6-hole punch. This is perfect. So I am actually going to use these, I think, for the savings challenges. Isn't that fun? Oh, and let me tell you, like I said, she has like an attention to detail. She rounded the corners. Y'all, anybody who sends you cash envelopes and doesn't round the corners and they stab you drives me crazy. This is fantastic. I love that. Then, ooh, a sneak peek of what's to come for next month. I love that. Ooh, Ooh, that's going to be for March. That's going to be my kid's birthday month. All right, and then let me go ahead and undo this one because I feel like the ring light gives a lot of reflection. Okay, so here are the little icon stickers. If you want to pause the video and look over them, there's tons of little options on there. Then here is the sticker kit. All right, so we have the month, and this, she gives you a ton of stickers for the actual month, so that, like, this is for the calendar, right? The monthly view. So you could put the February on each side of the page, and she gives you enough stickers for every single page in the workbook, which is really nice. And then some no spend stickers. So this is the calendar monthly. I can't think right now. Yeah, the monthly calendar. So this goes up at the top. So I love the pattern. It's so cute. Here are some more of the Bill Do stickers. Now, the left side of the monthly, the boxes are smaller than the right. So instead of giving you just one set of stickers, she sized them, which I really appreciate. So I don't have just one set of stickers that is going to encroach into the next space by using it on both sides. So that is really nice. Then we have the sidebar. We've got some thin washi, no spends, and of course deco, because she fills in every single space. Paycheck budget tracker. So this goes up at the top of the budget page. This is for all of the headings on the page, which I love. It just makes the whole page really, really colorful instead of just having the one box up at the top decorated, which I love. Cash envelope breakdown, of course, more deco. Priority goals. This is for the cash denomination breakdown. So that's nice. Cash envelope breakdown and budget tracker. This is for week 5. Then we have expense trackers. So there's 6 expense trackers in the workbook. She gives you enough for all of those. Plus, if you don't use all of them, she also gives you sinking funds, which is nice. And of course, there's arrows and more deco. And then she also gives you a weekly check-in, which I love. I've started doing weekly check-ins, and I appreciate having these. So you don't have to, here's what I love. You don't have to buy all this separately. This is the complete kit of the stickers, right? This stuff here. This is what you would get, all these things, not these extra pieces here, but this is the sticker kit. So she's given you every single piece that you could possibly need where you don't have to buy it individually. This is the monthly net worth tracker, debt payment plan. And of course, she's filled in all the extra spaces. Monthly category breakdown, and of course, more deco. This is for the meal plan page. So you get that monthly view, days of the week, and then little boxes to put, you know, a menu item or maybe takeout or whatever you want to do for the month. And then she gives you a page for the journal, like the last page of every month. There is a blank page for kind of journaling, I guess, about your budget, and I love this. So we've got 2 really cute washi strips. We've got deco, check boxes, little sticky notes, arrows, little dots. It's everything. So the birthday kit did not come with this page for the thoughts and notations. It did not come with the meal plan, the monthly budget category breakdown, the net worth, or the debt payment plan, or sinking funds, expense tracker. It didn't have those pages. So like the things that I would consider extra is not in the birthday kit, which is fine. I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's not even January yet. Today's the 23rd of December, and I already want to go do my planner. Is it too early? Okay, so you guys will have to let me know what you think of the February design. Have you ordered from VanLilysStickers yet? And if not, what is stopping you? The subscription box, which is everything you see here, is $38 a month. It's like $37 and some change. When you think about all of the things that you get, and if you were to purchase all of these things separately, you would have paid a lot more than $38. So I think it is 100% worth the cost. I am more likely to use my budget planner if it's pretty. That's not for everybody. Not everybody loves stickers, but I love them. And it is worth every minute that it takes to put down stickers. So definitely let me know down in the description box what you think of this kit. Will you be ordering one for yourself? Are you waiting for yours to come in? And was this a spoiler for you? I think that is everything for this video. Again, I will have VanLilysStickers linked down below. She has an Etsy shop. And then she also has a website. And if you're going to do the subscription box, you want to do it through the website so that you can do the recurring payment. So it'll automatically happen on the same day every month. Whereas if you do the box on Etsy, you can buy one box, but then you have to go and do the next month. So if you just want to try it and don't want to commit, then you could do Etsy. That would be fine. But I hope that you have loved this unboxing. I'm so excited. I could not wait to show you, root canal and all. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.